Stopping a wedding is a serious decision that requires careful consideration of your motives and intentions. Before taking action, reflect on whether you genuinely believe you have the couple's best interest at heart, and consult family or friends for their perspectives. If you're convinced the wedding shouldn't proceed, gather legal reasons to support your stance and approach the couple privately for a calm discussion. Listen to their side while expressing your concerns, and if necessary, speak to them individually. Suggest postponing the wedding for a year to reassess their relationship or propose a non-legal celebration to satisfy their desire for a ceremony. If you have concrete legal grounds for halting the wedding, act swiftly. Avoid dramatic tactics like crashing the wedding, as these can backfire. Instead, focus on constructive conversations and transparent motivations. And if all else fails, consider recommending annulment as a last resort if the marriage goes through.